Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute little coconut keychain. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, two crochet hook, cutter, needle and a stitch marker. This coconut keychain looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful keychain, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, chain and single crochet. We are going to do two pieces. One is the outer part and then the inner part. For the outer part, we are using 3.5 mm crochet hook and for the inner part, we are using 3 mm crochet hook. Then we will join them using single crochet. So now let's see how to do them. To do this beautiful coconut keychain, first we are going to do the outer shell. For that I have used 3.5 mm crochet hook. We are going to start with a magic circle, chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain and this is the magic ring. Next we are going to work inside this magic circle. We are going to do 6 single crochet inside the circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet for 5 more stitches. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So at the end of this round, you will be having 6 single crochet stitches. You can adjust the size of the circle by pulling this tail yarn. After doing them, it looks like this. You can pull this tail yarn to close this hole. Next round, you are going to do 2 single crochet in this first stitch. 1, 2. Place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. We are going to work in rounds. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, remove the stitch marker. Do 1 single crochet on that stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. You are going to repeat this till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, increase. That is 2 single crochet in the same stitch. You are going to repeat this pattern till you reach the stitch marker. That is single crochet in each stitch for 2 stitches and then increase in the next stitch. So at the end of this round, you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you are going to do 2 more rounds. In each round, you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. Total, you should have done for 3 rounds. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, extend the yarn little bit. Snip off this yarn. Insert the hook in the stitch. Next stitch here. So you are going to finish it off using an invisible. You'll get a beautiful finish. So by following the same pattern, you're going to do one more piece. Doing that piece, we'll be using 3 mm crochet hook. After doing them, it looks like this. You'll place wrong side inside like this and you're going to place it inside and you're going to join them. So insert the hook by taking both the loops. Here we will take the front loop and you'll join them using single crochet. Here both the loops and here the front loop and you're going to join them using single crochet. So likewise you're going to join them around. After joining them, it looks like this. Next, you can extend the yarn a little bit and you can snip off this yarn. Next, we are going to finish an invisible finish. So insert the hook here. So the coconut keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.